by Miss California? Definitely. Alright, who actually understood them? That's what I thought. None of you speak sea lion. Well, luckily, I brushed up on my sea lion for the competition today, so I can translate for those of you who may not have understood. Now, for her first wish, Miss California wishes for a custom-made surfboard by her favorite shaper, Al Merrick. Good wish. Little surfer girl over here. I'm a little bit embarrassed to translate this second wish for you guys. Is she sure about this? Okay. For her second wish, Miss California wishes that right here at Sea Life Park there were more male sea lions. Good wish. Remember, honesty does count. Now, I'm sure you can all guess her third and final wish. She is a true beauty queen as well, so what did she wish